Hey guys, Eric Sue here. Hope you're doing well. Hey, listen, I've got an awesome new product here that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys, and it is the Saramonic Blink 500 B2. It means two transmitters and one receiver, and it's a wireless system. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome, and I hope you guys like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can get future videos just like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and I know you guys will get a lot of value out of this. All right, so I picked this up because I recently got a new camera, the Canon EOS M50. You may have seen my other videos that I talked about it. Anyhow, I decided to get rid of my Rode video mic and to replace it with this wireless mic system. The reason being is because I know I'll be doing some vlogs and going out, and I just didn't want something bulky on my camera. And also, I can also use this with my gimbal, which is my G6 Max Feiyutech. Okay, so this is something I just got, and let's unbox it. And so let's see what we got in here. We got it off of eBay, by the way, and normally this is about $250, and on eBay $169. Okay. All right, so what do we got in the box? Okay, we've got transmitter right up on top, or sorry, receiver, and two transmitters right here. Okay, all right. Also in the side of the box here, we got the, let's see what's in here. All right, it's got all the attachment and cables that came with it. So let's see what we got in here. Okay. Okay. All right. Looks like we got a reset pin. Okay. There you go. We've got some clips. So this is for wireless. It's for the lavalier mics. Okay. All right. It's got some cables. So it looks like they. All right. So USB, and this is USB Type C on the other end. You can see that. Okay, very good. Let's see here. Also, actually two. So we got two of the USB to Type C connectors. Okay, so that's good. Let's see here. What else we got here? We've got connectors here. All right, so we've got TSR, I believe it's called, and then we got an adapter here. So we have a TSSR, so that's 3 lines, if you could see. Okay, and they got a little adapter here, TSS. Okay, so let's focus that, TS2, and then we have TSSR right here. Okay, so looks like an adapter. Okay, so looks like it goes right into your camera, and then it connects right to your receiver, and then that's it. So I guess you can have different options on how to connect to your equipment, so that's really good. All right, so if there's one thing I really like about this system is like it has this clip on here that you could see on the back, and what happens is you can clip it onto your shirt, or you can clip it onto your belt, and you can use the connector here to the wireless mic input here, and you can use a lavalier. Okay, so I really like that. And the receiver here has the same type of clip system, as you can see right in through here. And so that's really why I think it is a good deal for what it's all about. Okay, so that's another reason. All right, now that's all that came with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up, test it out, and see how it sounds, and then yeah, we'll give you a quick review. I'm gonna have to use it a few more times, obviously, out in the field and so forth. There's many people who have done like distance tests and stuff like that. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys and to give you my opinion about it. I've done some research, and there's definitely different types of wireless mics out there. There's the Comica XD Boom, I think it's called, and obviously the Rode. This one came in at $169, like I said. The other ones, you could probably spend well over $200, $250 plus, just for the same system. But technically, the Rode, you only get one for $250 or something like that, I think. And then for the Comica, you get two, but that's like $250 plus. And so anyhow, the Saramonic I've been looking at for some time, and it seems pretty well made and good construction, nice and easy to use. So I'm going to go ahead and test it out, and we'll come back and we'll let you know what I think about it. All right, you guys, so I'm back, and now you guys are listening to my voice on this Saramonic Blink 500 B2 wireless system. And so I just wanted to do this quick review to see how it sounds. I really don't know what it sounds like because I don't have headphones on, but I am recording my voice also on my podcast mic, and we'll see. I'll cut it off, and I will put the mic on, and then I will cut back onto this wireless mic to see how it sounds. But right now I have the wireless mic on, and so hopefully it sounds good. Now I'm also going to test the wireless lavalier right here as well, and so let me go ahead and put that on. Now it's supposed to sound much better than just this piece on, according to what I've seen on so other people's reviews. So let me put this on, connect it. Okay, so now I have this this piece connected to see if this sounds better than this wireless mic just piece, transmitter if you will. And so this is the what do we got here? I think we put it somewhere here. Excellent. So I've got this clip here, and I could put it on and we can test it out to see what it sounds like. Now it's clipped on. Alright, so I'm gonna let me clip this over here. See how that sounds. Alright, so I've got the wireless on, and just testing to see how it sounds. I will do a quick test to see if it sounds good. Just letting you know I have the wireless lavalier mic on, and I'm going to now cut out into the podcast mic that I'm using to see what it sounds like. So this is the podcast mic sound. So there might be a difference between the two. And then now I'm going to go back to this wireless lavalier mic. Anyhow, if there's a test to hear the difference, that is the test. So far so good. I just wanted to do this quick video, like I said, just to let you guys know what I'm doing. If I'm out and about shooting some outdoor fitness videos or something like that, I'll probably use this wireless mic system because it seems to be very easy to set up. All I have to do is connect the receiver onto my camera, which is simple, easy, and then all I'll have to do is connect my lavalier to me, and we got sound. So nothing really bulky, and then plus I can use the receiver on my gimbal, like I said, my G6 Max, and so hopefully everything sounds great and works effortlessly. I just wanted to streamline my equipment, so there you go. And so if you guys like this video, go ahead and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you get future videos just like this. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you guys in a future video. Bye.